The Sandbox is software running on Ethereum that operates a decentralized virtual gaming world. At its core, the Sandbox is a game in which players can buy digital plots of land, called land, and create experiences on top of them to share with other users. In this way, the Sandbox is one model of a blockchain-based metaverse in the same vein as Decentraland. In addition to the NFT-type land token, the Sandbox has two other native tokens that govern the operations in its metaverse, used to facilitate various transactions that are part of its gameplay, including purchasing land, interacting with user-generated content, and staking it to participate in the governance of the Decentralized Autonomous Organization, DAO. Asset tokens. NFTs representing in-game items such as equipment for avatars and creations that are used to populate land. They can be traded in the Sandbox's marketplace. How does the Sandbox work? The Sandbox software leverages the Ethereum blockchain to track ownership of the digital land and NFT assets on its application. Users further engage with its ecosystem using Ethereum wallets that hold their sand tokens. Developers are also free to innovate within the Sandbox's platform by designing the animation and interactions experienced on their virtual real estate using several tools. Voxel Editor. Users can create voxels, the smallest unit of three-dimensional design, to design and bring to life creations like flora, fauna, and avatar-oriented equipment. Game Maker. Tools that allows users to build 3D games on their land, using assets they created or bought on the marketplace. Users can upload their creations into the Sandbox marketplace, where first they are registered as ERC-1155 tokens, assets, on the Ethereum blockchain. These assets can then be bought and sold using Sand. Sand is the native cryptocurrency and an essential part of the Sandbox platform. The token is based on Ethereum and plays some roles. Access to the platform. Join the Sandbox platform, i.e. play games, buy game tools, customize their avatars, etc. For this, players must spend Sand tokens. Creators get a stake in Sand to acquire assets and lands, while artists spend Sand to bring their export assets to market. Sand token holders can take part in governance decisions by voting on proposals. Such proposals will include how the foundation grant will be allocated, how the roadmap will be prioritized, etc. may contain. Token holders can vote for themselves or any other participant they choose. Staking. Sand token holders can stake in crypto and earn more income in land.